Welcome to 11544 on board Star of the Seas. This is a junior suite on Royal Caribbean's newest ship. We'll start in the bathroom. We got a single sink vanity, lots of storage. These are drawers, more storage, lots of cubby and toilet. We've got our shower, which is a bath as well. We got the toiletry products, Salt and Breeze for Caribbean. Gorgeous, gorgeous bathroom. More drawers and storage. More toiletries. And then we have a full length mirror right when you walk out of the room. You have all your room controls. You don't have to insert a room key on Royal Caribbean to get your lights and everything going, so that's great. We've got a small full-length closet here. Then you come to the dressing room with double closets. Part of the junior suite perks, we get some robes and slippers. Another full length. And this side, we've got cubbies, another side of full length, the safe, and more drawers. This is the get ready area. Here's a little storage for makeup, hot tools, however you want. We got some outlets here, makeup mirror, and seating. You come to more storage. These are drawers. This is the coffee maker, Lavazza. So you can make delicious coffee in your room. And then you have a mini fridge for drinks that you want to bring on board with you. More storage. We have the couch. This pulls out so someone can sleep there. And then we have the bed, the star of the show. It faces the view, which is, I think, great. When you wake up, you just see where you have sailed to. Once again, on the side of the bed, more storage. Lots of outlets for all your charging. Since it is a suite, you've got a pillow menu. So that is something I'm going to take advantage of. Got a nice little table, seating, and then we go outside. There is a safety lock on this side. You slide it to lock, slide it to unlock, and then the handle also has to be up completely to open it. And then you go out onto your patio. We've got a little chair with a footstool and a table. And then to the other side, we have 2 chairs and a table as well if you want to have some snacks or drinks out here. We are in Port Canaveral right now, so the view's not great, but that will improve as soon as we leave port. But once again, this is the junior suite on Star of the Seas, Royal Caribbean, brand new. That was the junior suite on the new Star of the Seas with Royal Caribbean. If you want to book any cruise on the Star of the Seas or any Royal Caribbean vacation, please reach out to Simply Perfect Vacations. We are happy to help you with our concierge level services that are included in the price of your cruise, so you're not going to pay extra for our help.